In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the inbox type in Gmail. Fix Today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner and click the gear icon. This will open the Quick Settings panel on the right side of the screen. Inside the Quick Settings panel, locate the section called Inbox Type. This section lets you control how your Gmail inbox is organized and displayed. From the list of available options, select either Priority Inbox or Multiple Inboxes, depending on how you want your emails organized. Priority Inbox helps highlight important and unread messages, while Multiple Inboxes allows you to split your inbox into different sections. After selecting your preferred inbox type, click the Customize link that appears directly below your selection. This will take you to the detailed settings page where you can adjust how the inbox sections behave. On the settings page, locate the inbox sections area. This is where you can configure the different sections that appear in your inbox. Next to each section, click Options. From there, you can choose categories such as important and unread, starred, or other message types depending on how you want your inbox organized. You can also choose the maximum number of items displayed for each section. Adjusting this allows you to control how many emails appear in each inbox category before Gmail loads more messages. Depending on the inbox type you selected earlier, you may also see additional settings such as inbox unread count, reading pane, or multiple inbox sections. These options allow you to further customize how your Gmail interface behaves and how messages are displayed. Once you finish customizing your inbox layout, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh the page and apply the new inbox configuration. After the page reloads, you will immediately see the updated inbox layout in your current account, reflecting the settings you selected. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.